I'm Jesse Wassel. I'm the owner of Summit 4x4 Company. Summit 4x4 Company is a group of men and women that enjoy off-roading. They enjoy rock crawling, overlanding, exploring, and they enjoy relationships with people. And that's huge for us. So we get to wake up every day, and instead of being bummed out that we get to go to work, we're excited to go to work. Every day is a new adventure. Every day you get to talk to a new customer. You get to help fulfill their dream, right? They want to be able to be a part of this. You know, they see it on social media. They see it when they're cruising around town, these awesome built rigs, and you know, they're eye-catching, and then they learn, you know, about the industry and the passion that's behind it, and they want to be able to experience that as well. You know, when customers come in here, it's extremely important, first and foremost, they feel comfortable, right? Whether you're brand new to off-roading or to overlanding or just, you know, going out and exploring, or you've been doing it for 40, 50, 60 years, we want you to feel comfortable here, and that's super important. So we always want to make sure our customers feel welcomed here immediately right away. And, you know, when you go in somewhere and somebody knows your name, you know, we had talked, you'd mentioned the cheers, right? Everybody knows your name. You feel comfortable. You instantly want to be a part of that. And that's what I want, you know, our customers to feel, that when they come in here is that, you know, we care about them. It's not just about their pocketbook. It's about, hey, these guys, you know, if I tell them that this is what I want to do with my rig, or this is the adventure I want to go on, they're going to hear me, right? They're not just going to listen, they're going to hear me, and we're going to help make those recommendations based off of that. You know, we're very approachable. If somebody's in here, their rig's getting worked on, and they've got a question about a product they see on the wall or something they just watched on the TV, we love that interaction. We love being able to kind of teach our customers and answer any questions that they have pertaining to those products. And, you know, there's a lot of times until you see a product either on a wall or on a video, you don't even know it exists. So it's extremely important that, you know, we give them a well-rounded opportunity to see all the different products that are out there, and then obviously answer any questions they have pertaining to that. So it's a very friendly environment. It's a fun environment. That's extremely important for us, that, you know, not only do we have fun as a crew, but our customers that come in here, you know, also have fun. And we love joking, you know, playing around and making people feel comfortable. Most of the time we've got rigs on the lot of, you know, a 2.5 inch lift or 3.5 inch lift with 35s or 37s. They can get that visual look. But if we don't have that, or if they want to see something custom with their vehicle specific, we can do renderings up on that. And it's extremely important. You know, if a customer sees their specific rig, right, it's not just somebody else's, you know, black 4-door JK or whatever, but it's their rig, you know, with the rendering, with the lift, the wheels, tires, the bumper, the lights, all that kind of stuff. Really gives them an idea of what to expect, and that's what's important. We want them to be happy when they receive that vehicle. I don't want them to be surprised or be like, oh man, I really don't like that accessory. I wish I would have gone a different route. So we want them to get all that information in the beginning, be extremely comfortable prior to spending a penny here with us. And then at that point, once we've got that customer and us, we're all on the same page as far as the products that they need, the budget that they need to be within, you know, then we go ahead and order parts and get them in here. And, you know, sometimes the mild builds are done in the same day or next day. And sometimes we've got builds here that are for a week, 2-3 weeks, depending on what we're doing. You know, we want to go through this journey, not only, you know, in the off-road industry and out exploring, but in life together. You know, we have, you know, customers that come in here that have deaths in their family, that, you know, experience trouble with their kids. As you get to know your customers, you know, you come alongside. I mean, I've prayed for our customers in our waiting room before. You know, we help them out on the weekends. We do different activities with them. We do overnight trips with them. And, you know, that really sets us aside, I feel like. You know, giving back is extremely important to me and to the crew here at Summit. You know, we partner up with the Boys and Girls Club. We partner up with YRMC Breast Care. We partner up with the Mighty Oaks Foundation. I'm sure I'm forgetting a couple that we do. We do turkey drives. We do Christmas runs. Let me think. There's a Pay to Play out in Chino Valley for their high school and their schools, that you know, the kids, the less fortunate that maybe don't have the money to get the equipment, or after a game they don't have the money to be able to eat after playing a sporting event. We benefit and help them and raise money for them as well. You know, it's humbling, and I thank God every day that I'm able to do it, because I was that kid that needed to get sponsored to be able to play football and to play baseball, and so I get it. You know, it's tough growing up as a kid and not having that stuff. So I love being able to give back. It's a huge part in that. every build's a cool build, right? You know, for that customer, and that's what it's about. It's not about what I think, it's about what our customers think. So whether it's a single bumper, whether it's a re-gear, whether it's a full-on lift kit, you know, all of those builds are cool builds. So one of my favorite parts is when these builds are complete and finished, you know, pulling these things out front and the customer gets to see them for the first time. That to me is super important. Again, being a visual guy, I love seeing that. We've had anything from high fives to, you know, customers breaking down in tears. They're just so excited to be able to see their vision fulfilled, and we feel blessed to be able to do that. And Summit 4x4 Company gets to come alongside our customers and help fulfill their dreams.